Okay, welcome everyone. This is going to be hopefully a not too long video tutorial instruction about our quarter 4 week 1 assignment, which is Introduction to Speculative Fiction. I forgot to put the title. So here you are. You will go to our Google Classroom stream, whatever period you are in. I'm using period 2 to start. Some morning update, make sure you read that. You're going to click on this assignment. It's going to take you to here, here. And there are two documents here. There is a presentation and there is the actual assignment itself. Okay, and you will need both open. You will get your own copy of both. And what you'll need to do is have the presentation open and the assignment open together at the same time. Okay, so let's get started. You'll see in the assignment it says Introduction to Quarter 4 Speculative Fiction. Directions: read through the slideshow with new information about speculative fiction. Use the blue words to fill in the blanks below. Okay, that's on the left side. So let's start. So we'll go over here, Introduction to Quarter 4, Speculative Fiction. We'll go ahead and hit Present, make it nice and big. Objectives: students will be able to identify new background information about the genre of speculative fiction and explore their own knowledge and thinking about said genre through free writing and revision. Okay? So basically you're going to be learning about what speculative fiction is, which I've been calling sci-fi fantasy, though that it includes more genres than that, including horror. And you'll be exploring that through free writing and then revising that writing. All right, here we go. So it's going to give you the instructions again. Your teacher has already posted a copy of this for you in your online classroom. Use the slideshow to learn about our genre of focus. Students will use this information in the slideshow to complete their work on the student assignment document. Boom. Here we go. Complete the notes with information about the various aspects of the genre. Complete 2 free writes where you explore your thinking about different aspects of this genre, and choose one of your free writes to polish and submit as a final written reflection. Okay, so you have sort of 3 actions here. Boom. To complete your notes, read through the slides with new information about speculative fiction. Use the blue words to fill in the blanks on your student assignment doc. Again, that is this, the blue words where you fill in the blank. All right, let's keep going. What is a free write? Free writing is a writing strategy developed to explore one's own thinking. We've actually talked about it in class. It's basically you write with no self-censoring. Okay? It increases the flow of new ideas and helps increase fluency. Right? You want to be able to just write freely. How do you do a free write? You set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes. You write without stopping wherever your mind takes you. Doesn't really matter what appears on the page, just that you put something on the page for the entire time. Write in sentence and paragraph format, not bullet points. Not a test. Not a test. Not a test. What is speculative fiction? Okay, notice how. What is speculative fiction? Okay, and it's going to ask us. To speculate means to ask what? Boom. To speculate means to ask what if. Oh, blue. I see blue words. So I go over here. To speculate means to ask what if. Fancy, nope, square bracket. There we go. All right. First one, done. Back. All right. Speculative fiction takes our existing world and changes it by asking what if? What if what? What if time travel was real? What if aliens came to Earth? What if ghosts are trying to hunt humans? I'm sure you can think of some other relevant what if scenarios. Moving on, speculative fiction is any fictional story in which, oh, I see blue words. The rules of that world are different than the rules of our current society. So any fictional story in which the rules of that world are different. Speculative fiction takes our existing world and changes that world. Sure, let's say that. Changes the rules of that world. Spelling is hard. Okay, typing and talking is difficult to do at the same time. So let's try this again. So you don't have to copy it exactly. I didn't write it exactly. The rules of that world are different than the rules of our current society. They change the rules, right? Takes our existing world and changes it. Okay, takes our existing world and changes the rules, right? So I kind of added in my own thing here, but the gist is the same. Any fictional story in which the rules of that world are different than the rules of our current society, authors change these rules and then do something. What do they do? Speculate on the outcome. Remember we talked about this word speculate means to ask, well, what if? Well, what if time travel was real? Okay, so the science fiction author says, okay, time travel is real, and then thinks about in their mind, well, okay, then what are the consequences of that? What will happen? You speculate on the outcome. Speculate. Typing is hard. All right. Moving on. These stories Good job. These stories offer an escape from current. Wow. Let me rephrase this for you. Again, I did not make these slides. These stories offer an escape from our current reality, but call the reader to compare the problems in the story to the problems in our world today. Typing is hard, guys. In these stories, authors often make an observation about our society and or provide a warning about the future. This is a key point, right? There's a movie called Pandemic, a warning about what might happen if a virus gets out into the population. Interesting. So let's go back to our assignment. These stories, come on guys. These stories offer an escape from our current reality. You could copy paste, but I like to type it out. An escape from our current reality. Again, you could paraphrase it. Typing is hard. You could paraphrase it if you wanted, or you can just do it verbatim. But call the reader to something. I already forgot. Compare. Compare. Compare the problems in the story to the problems in our world today. In these stories, authors often make an observation about our society. Observation about our society, and or provide a warning for the future. Yes, got it. Warning for the future. All right. Moving on. Nice little graphic over here, by the way. Speculative fiction often incorporates the following kinds of fiction. Historical fiction. What if Abraham Lincoln was not assassinated? Historical fiction. What happens next? Fantasy, right? Lord of the Rings. Science fiction, such as The Matrix. Horror, such as Dracula. Okay, these are all. What if vampires were real? What if we were actually living in a simulated computer reality? What if dragons and elves and monsters were real? Okay, speculative fiction. Free write. Choose one of the options. Click below. Escape, an exploration of what if, or an escape to a new reality to examine the problems of our own. Let's do this. Okay. It says, respond to the questions below in your free write. What are some what if questions that you have about this time period right now. Write 3 what-if questions, and then free write your response reflecting on potential answers. See where your mind leads you. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to write my what-if questions. What if... I'm not going to actually give you any. What if... You got to come up with them on your own. Haha. What if 3? Okay? No freebies. Then free write your response reflecting on potential answers. Okay? So you would look at these questions. You could choose 1. You could choose all 3. And then you're going to write for 10 to 15 minutes. What do you come up with? What do you come up with in your mind? Okay, remember sentences and paragraph form, no bullet points. Okay? Key thing is the timer. Don't do it for more than 10 or 15 minutes. I mean, you could, but, you know. If you happen to choose the other one, boom. What kind of world would you want to escape to right now? If you could, I'm sure we can think of some answers here. So you could just respond to that question. All right. Moving on. What are the types of speculative fiction? Okay, I've already demonstrated how to fill in the blue, so I'm not going to do that for you. Hopefully you know how to read. Okay, so you read through. Oh, blue, blue. I see blue. Okay, we're talking about horror here. Elements of evil, evil person. Okay, here are some key terms in the blue. Again, notice the blue here. Okay, blue, blue, blue. It's note-taking, guys. You're taking notes on horror. Here are some examples. Okay, fantasy. Again, notes, magic. Here are some... Beauty and the Beast. Okay, sure. Sure. Okay, fine. Anyways. Science fiction. Haha. Good. The truest form of science fiction. Alright? This is a fantastic movie, by the way. Back to the Future. Also a classic. Okay, and then free writes. Choose one of your options. We're going to choose science fiction. If you could invent anything, what would it be? Grammar. How would you use this invention during our present day situation? Yes. Okay, if you chose fantasy, if you got any magical powers, what would they be and why? I see the theme here. Horror. What is something you are afraid of, and then how do you deal with that fear? Again, free write, 10 to 15 minutes. Choose one of the options, and you'll write about it for 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, choose one of your free writes, either A or B, to revise and submit as a final written reflection. No longer than 1 page, so keep it short, guys. Logical flow of ideas, it should make sense. Written in your own words, no plagiarizing. Language effective to convey the purpose. That means, like, you are actually answering the question in the free write. So, in your thing over here, free write B, okay, the prompt that you choose here, whether this one, or this one, okay, is going to go here, in this column. My story, let's see, something that I'm afraid of and how I deal with that fear. Blah, 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 blah. Type it all here. Type it all here. Alright? Then, I'm going to choose one of my free writes and revise it. Okay, I'm going to correct any grammar. I'm going to edit, cut out things that don't belong. I'm going to add some to it. Okay, make it look nice. Make it sound nice. Okay? And then I'm going to copy paste that revised version here. Okay, so this is going to be done. This is done. All of these blanks are filled in here. And this is done. And then I will submit. Okay? So, if you have questions, please tune in. Please work on this today, tomorrow. Come in Wednesday to the drop-in meetings with your questions. Okay, and I'll provide assistance. And then it is due Friday. All right. Good luck, everyone, and take care.